Alright, what's going on? It's itsJClyde. I'm here in Medellin, Colombia. I'll give you a quick walkthrough of this Airbnb here in the Belen area. So first up, you use your thumb as the key. So there's no need to keep up with any keys or door codes. So that's really convenient. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. So first up, you have the little workspace area. And it came with a large monitor, so that way you'll have the dual monitor set up. You can connect your laptop, have a dual monitor. Here's the kitchen area, the nice size stainless steel refrigerator. This counter is nice granite countertop. Over here, you have a stackable washer dryer. All right. Come over here, you got the living room area. It has a nice size projector screen. Sectional couch. And there's the projector. And it also has surround sound. So it has the speakers in the ceiling. So you have the surround sound. Here's some more shelf space. Pretty nice balcony with some great views here in the Belen area. You see, that's the domestic airport here in Medellin. It'll take you to some domestic locations here in Colombia. I think there's a golf course over there as well. All right, next up we have bathroom number 1. Here it has a nice little sink. Right, now we have the second bedroom. It's a smaller bedroom here, but it gets the job done. It also has like a little desk space here, extra storage for you. Master bedroom. It's a very comfortable bed. The mattress was soft. It's very good. Got plenty of drawers, closet space. Here you have the TV. Got like some additional shelves here. Even has a keyboard, so if you want to get your musical on, there you go. All right. And the master bath. Slanted sink, granite. And then you also have the shower here with the rainfall water head. It's a pretty nice backsplash as well. And the floor also has the same backsplash. So yeah, that's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment in the Belen area. This property also has swimming pool, like a little playground court, and a convenience store on site. So I'll take you downstairs so you can take a look at that as well. But yeah, Medellin, Colombia, Belen. So right here you have the pool area on the property. Got the larger pool and a smaller pool right there. Court over there in the play area, and also too it has like a small mini market here. You can get like some snacks, some essential items. Got like a little court right here. Play basketball or soccer. It has a little playground area for the kids. So yeah, that's it. Nice little property. Has like 4 towers. Over here in the Belen area, has like some more neighboring buildings right here. So it's a pretty nice area. And also has nice secure entrance. So that's it. We are in Belen, Colombia, in the Medellin area.